Mr. Duggar, the court has considered your requests. Your motion for unsupervised contact with your children is denied. Supervised visitation only. The safety of the children is paramount.
Your Honor, please.
Joseph Duggar's requests an ongoing abuse case, what happened and what comes next.
Today we're breaking down a key development in the Joseph Duggar case. A Florida judge has denied his request to have unsupervised contact with his children and to lift a no-contact restriction tied to the girl whose accusations led to his arrest.
This ruling affects custody, property access, and the next steps in a case that has drawn national attention. I'll explain what the judge decided, why the court acted this way, and what to watch for next, all in clear, straightforward terms. What the court decided and why it matters. The ruling. Bay County Circuit Judge Brantley Scott Clark denied motions filed by Joseph Duggar's attorney to modify a no-contact order so Duggar could have unsupervised contact with his biological children. The judge instead allowed supervised contact to continue, property access denied. The judge also refused to let Duggar visit parcels of land he owns that lie within 500 feet of a residence listed for the accuser. Instead, the court ruled Duggar may have an employee or agent perform maintenance on those properties. Why it matters. These rulings preserve protective measures intended to reduce risk and avoid further contact between the accused and the alleged victim while the criminal case proceeds. They also balance Duggar's property rights with safety concerns by allowing maintenance through intermediaries. The allegations and brief charges. Joseph Duggar, 31, faces Florida charges of lewd and lascivious behavior, including allegations involving a victim under 12 years old and conduct by a person 18 years or older. He has pleaded not guilty, reported facts. According to the arrest release, the accuser, now 14, disclosed incidents that allegedly occurred during a 2020 family vacation in Panama City Beach when she was 9. The report says she described repeated inappropriate touching and that Duggar later apologized. Tontitown police say Duggar admitted his actions to the girl's father and to detectives. Next court dates. Duggar has a pre-trial hearing scheduled in Florida, and he and his wife Kendra face separate state charges in Arkansas related to alleged endangerment and false imprisonment, with an August court date on those matters.
How the judge balanced family needs and safety. Duggar's attorney argued the no-contact order was creating a hardship because it prevented Duggar from communicating with his own children.
The motion asked the court to allow peaceful contact between family members. Court response: Judge Clark prioritized the protective purpose of the no-contact order. By allowing supervised visits, the court acknowledged Duggar's parental relationship while maintaining safeguards for the alleged victim and the integrity of the investigation. Property compromise. Rather than permitting Duggar to enter land near the accuser's listed residence, the judge allowed maintenance by a third party, a practical solution that reduces potential encounters while protecting property interests. Broader context and family background. Public profile. Joseph Duggar is a member of the Duggar family, known from TLC's reality series 19 Kids and Counting and its spin-off Counting On. The family's public history includes prior scandals involving other members, which has amplified media attention on current allegations. Related charges. In Arkansas, Joseph and Kendra Duggar face separate criminal counts, alleging they used exterior locks on children's bedroom doors and created conditions that endangered minors. Those are distinct from the Florida allegations but contribute to the broader legal scrutiny the family is under. Why the public watches. High-profile families often draw intense coverage. Courts must navigate public interest while protecting victims' privacy and ensuring a fair process for defendants.
What to expect next. Pre-trial proceedings expect discovery, witness interviews, and pre-trial motions that may address evidence admissibility and the scope of testimony.
The judge's decision to keep supervised contact in place suggests the court will continue to prioritize protective measures as the case moves forward. Possible outcomes. Cases like this can result in dismissal, plea agreements, or trial. Each path depends on the strength of evidence, legal strategy, and prosecutorial decisions. Watch for official filings. The most reliable updates will come from court dockets, official statements from prosecutors, and filings by defense counsel. Media reports can be useful but should be cross-checked against primary court records.
Responsible viewing and final thoughts. Remember the presumption of innocence. Charges are allegations until proven in court. Duggar has pleaded not guilty, and the legal process will determine the outcome.
Protecting privacy. Avoid sharing identifying details about alleged victims. Public discussion should be trauma-informed and avoid sensationalism. If you're affected, if you or someone you know is dealing with sexual abuse or trauma, contact local child protective services, a national sexual assault hotline, or a licensed mental health professional for support. If someone is in immediate danger, call emergency services. This is a developing story with serious implications for the families involved. I'll continue to follow court filings and report verified updates.
If you found this breakdown helpful, like and subscribe for careful, fact-focused coverage, and check the description for resources and links to official court information.